Hi, very warm welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be talking about the two things. So first, one of the best learning and interactive course platform offered by the Lycor Bioscience, which is known as a Lambda U platform. Here you will able to access various amazing courses on Western blotting and the science behind antibody selection normalizations, and also how to optimize your Western blotting experiment setups, and how you can present your data for publication and grant funding requirements, and also on various molecular biological biochemical chemical techniques. And also this is not just a learning platform for uncertificated courses, but this course also offers various things like here you will access the various amazing literatures on experimental design on or related to Western blotting and antibody selections. Please watch this video from start to end to know more about how you can register for these courses, and how to generate certificate, and how you can register for the paid courses for free, which is a limited time offer. So please do watch this video from to start to end. Before starting this video, I just want to say a few things. This is not a paid promotion and sponsored video. And also, second thing is that I just want to thanks Lycor Bioscience and also Lambda U course team members to provide me promo code, which will be helpful for you and many upcoming budding scientists. So please do share this video to others so they also get benefited. And also, I just want to say that if you are fall in this category, 86% who are not subscribed to our channel and watching this video, then please do subscribe to our channel and also follow us on various social media platforms to get up to date news on various opportunities and resources. To enroll for specific courses, you have to first create a Lambda U Learner account. To create a Lambda U Learner account, please click here on sign in. Then it will transition you to the sign in and sign up web portal. Here you have to click on sign up, and then you have to provide your basic informations, and you have to click and accept the terms and conditions. Then you have to click on sign up. Then you will get a confirmation mail on your provided email ID. Then you have to click on that specific link to confirm your account. Once you have completed that things, please go to the this platform. So once you have done with that, please go to your profile, and you can edit your information anytime if you want. To enroll for a specific course, like here I am enrolling for this meeting Western blotting publication grant for funding requirement course, which actually cost $500 around. uh, so here you can see this learning path includes 7 courses on these various topics, and also 73 lessons and lifetime access and also certificate of completion. To enroll for this course for free, you have to click on purchase for $499, and during checkout you have to apply a promo code which I have provided in the description box, and click on apply. Now you can see you don't have to pay any amount for this course. Now click on purchase. This offer is validated till the 30 September of this year. If you are watching this video afterwards, then please do let me know in comment box so I can assist you in different way. To get started with specific learning modules or specific courses, please click on that specific modules. Once you have completed the specific courses, you see completed tick mark here and also on a specific modules. As you can see here, this learning path includes 11 courses, 83 lessons, and lifetime access. And once you have completed each specific courses, you will get also a certificate of completion at the end of each courses. Uh, right now, I'm for example, for here I am clicking on preparation of samples. So as you can see here about the curriculum, the modules, and about the course, and once you have completed a specific modules, a specific lesson, you will see a tick mark here. And the best part of this platform, this course learning path, is that this course includes video lectures, which provides insight about the various techniques and various fundamentals of question blottings, and also here you can read summary of these courses. And the good part is that these courses also include a demonstration video where you can see the actual protocols, and also you can download your western.in state and various whatever topic you are currently learning. And the additional resources are literatures, review articles, and various things related to your experiment. And also you can ask the question to the Western Blot expert by clicking here, and you have to related a specific courses. You will see the completed tick mark here, and also the completed tick mark in front of the courses here, and also to the specific modules. And you can read all about the courses here, and also you can see progress bar here. Once you have completed the specific courses, please click on view certificate to generate your certificate. And here you can see the specific certificate of your courses, which includes your name and date, the course name, the platform, and issue date, certificate number, and verification number. You can share this specific link to various social media platform. Also, you can add this certificate on your uh, LinkedIn certification section. Now coming to the Imperial Studio software, which is one of the best software for Western blotting related experiment, because this software will help you in validation and also optimization of your Western blotting related data. And also here you can run antibody validation test and combine linear validation test, and also housekeeping protein validation test. And also in this software will be helpful for you normalizing your data, quantitative data, and also on various things. You can learn about the various features about this software on these platforms, and also you can download their guidelines and manuals here in this website. To get a 90 days of free trial, you have to just click on here to get a Imperial Studio, and then you have to register for the software, and then you will get a registration code there. To register for free trial, you have to complete this 5 step, and then you will get an email which contain a code, a specific code. Then you have to enter that in your software uh, to activate your free trial account. So please, if you are currently working on Western botting experiment, then I do recommend to use this software, because this is very interactive and also very effective software for your Western blotting related experiment. Hey, if you find this video informative, then do let us know in comment box, and also do like to our video, and also share this video to your colleague and your lab mates, so they also will get benefited from our content. And also do check other videos on this platform, on this channel, and also do follow us on various social media platforms to get daily update on various opportunity. Till then, keep learning, stay healthy, take care. Bye bye.